Hi thinkers, welcome back to Math Thinker. In the previous part, we explored the foundation of simplification and mastered the powerful basic tricks that make calculation feel effortless. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I have added the link in the description. I recommend checking it out first to build a clear base before moving into today's session. In this video, we will take things a step ahead. I have carefully selected intermediate level questions that are most frequently asked in competitive exams. So if you practice these, you won't just solve faster, you will start thinking like a topper. So let's begin. See the first question. If a equal to 4xy by x plus y, find the value of this one. So first let me take this equation. A plus 2x by a minus 2x plus a plus 2y by a minus 2y. So here we can take LCM. It will be a plus 2x and this will come a minus 2y plus a plus 2y and this one a minus 2x divided by a minus 2x a minus 2y. Now simplify this. It will be a square minus 2ya plus 2xa minus 4xy plus a square minus 2xa plus 2ya minus 4xy by a square minus 2ya minus 2xa plus 4xy. So here you can see minus 2ya plus 2ya plus 2xa minus 2xa will get cancelled and you will left with the 2a square minus 8xy and in the denominator a square minus, if you take minus 2a common, x plus y will remain plus 4xy. So take here 2 common, it will be a square minus 4xy divided by a square minus 2a x plus y plus 4xy. Now substitute this one 4xy by x plus y in place of a. So 2, it will be 16x square y square divided by x plus y whole square. See, I have done this square. So we will get this one minus 4xy by 16x square y square by x plus y whole square minus 2 4xy by x plus y again x plus y plus 4xy. So you can see here x plus y get cancelled and it will be minus 8xy plus 4xy. So you will be left with minus 4xy. So you can see here the above term and the denominator term both are same. So if you cancel these both, you will be left with 2. So our final answer is 2. Option B is the right answer. Actually we can get the answer soon by reducing some steps, but for better understanding I have solved all the steps. See the second question. If 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 55, x plus z minus y equal to 4 and y minus x plus z equal to 12, then what are the values of x, y, z? Now I will take this second equation and third equation. I will write it correctly. X minus y plus z equal to 4 minus x plus y plus z equal to 12. Now you can add these both. You will get x minus x cancel, minus y plus y cancel. You will left with 2z equal to 4 plus 12 is 16. So z will be 8. So we got the value of z. Now take this equation y minus x and substitute the value of z plus 8 equal to 12. So y equal to x plus 4. So 12 minus 8 will be 4. You will get y equal to x plus 4. Now this one you substitute in equation 1. 2x plus 3y means 3x plus 4 plus 8. That value is 8 equal to 55. Now see here 2x plus 3x equal to 5x plus 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 8 will be 20 equal to 55. And finally x will be, see 20 if it goes here, 55 minus 20 will be 35. 35 by 5 will be 7. So x equal to 7. Now put this in this one. Y equal to 7 plus 4 will be 11. So you got all the values x, y and z, that is 7, 11, 8. So here option A is the right answer. See the third question. If A by B equal to 4 by 5 and B by C equal to 15 by 16, find the value of C square minus A square by C square plus A square. Now let us multiply these both values. A by B into B by C equal to 4 by 5 into 15 by 16. B cancel, so you will be left with A by C equal to 4 ones are 4 4s are 5 ones are 5 3s are, so 3 by 4. If you write in ratio form, that is A is to C equal to 3 is to 4. Now you write C square minus A square by C square plus A square. Now you substitute these values, but we don't know original value. I'll write 4x whole square minus 3x whole square divided by 4x whole square plus 3x whole square. So you will get 16x square minus 9x square, which will be 7x square by 16x square plus 9x square will be 25x square. X square cancel. 7 by 25 is the answer. Option C is the right answer. See the fourth question. We have to simplify this. This looks big, but we can solve in seconds. Do it like this. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1 will be 4. It will be 4 by 3, but it will reciprocal and you will have 1 plus 3 by 4. So this 4 will be 1 plus 3 by 4. And 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3 will be 7. So you will have a 7 by 4 and it will be reciprocal, and final equation will be 1 plus 4 by 7, and do it again. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 4 will be 11 by 7, and now you take this one into 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 4 will be 11. 11 by 7 it will reciprocal and it will be 7 by 11. 7 7 cancel, 11 11 cancel. Final answer is 1. Option A is the right answer. See the fifth question. X by 2x plus y plus z equal to y by x plus 2y plus z equal to z by x plus y plus 2z equal to a. Then find a if x plus y plus z is not equal to 0. So now I can write x equal to a into 2x plus y plus z, this value, and y equal to this value, x plus 2y plus z, and z equal to a into this value, x plus y plus 2z. Now I will add these all three, 1, 2 and 3. So x plus y plus z equal to 2xa plus ya plus za plus ax plus 2ya plus za plus ax plus ay plus 2za. Now see here 2xa ax means it will be 4xa plus ya 2ya, again ya equal to 4ya plus za 2za equal to 4za. So if you take 4a common, x plus y plus z will remain, and here also x plus y plus z. So these both will cancel, and here 1 equal to 4a, and finally a will be 1 by 4. Option B is the right answer. See the sixth question. If a plus 1 by b equal to 1 and b plus 1 by c equal to 1, then c plus 1 by a is equal to. Now I will write this as a equal to 1 minus 1 by b. This one I will write it as b equal to 1 minus 1 by c. So it will be b minus 1 by b, and this will be c minus 1 by c. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now substitute 2 in 1. So a equal to, b value is c minus 1 by c minus 1 divided by c minus 1 by c. So if you take LCM, it will be c minus 1 minus c divided by c minus 1 by c. So c cancel, this c cancel. So minus 1 by c minus 1. So this will be a equal to minus 1 by c minus 1. If this goes here and comes here, c minus 1 equal to minus 1 by a, and this minus 1 goes here and this will come here. So finally you will have c plus 1 by a equal to 1. So c plus 1 by a equal to 1. That's our answer. Option C is the right answer. See the seventh question. A is greater than b by 2 and b is greater than c by 10. If a plus b plus c is equal to 130, then b plus c minus a is equal to what? They have said a is greater than b by 2. So a equal to b plus 2 and b is greater than c by 10. So b equal to c plus 10. And we have this also, a plus b plus c equal to 130. I will write this one as b equal to a minus 2 and this one I will substitute here. So it will be a minus 2 equal to c plus 10. C will be a minus 2 minus 10. So finally c will be a minus 12. So we got both the values, here b value and here c value. Let us substitute in this one. A plus a minus 2 plus a minus 12 equal to 130. So a means 3a minus 14 equal to 130. So finally a will be, this will go here and it will be 144. 144 by 3 will be 48. So a value is 48. So if you put the a value in here, you will get b as 46. And if you put the a value here, you will get c as 48 minus 12 will be 36. They said to find b plus c minus a. So b is 46 plus c is 36 minus 48. It will be 82 minus 48 and finally you will get 34 as the answer. Option A is the right answer. See the eighth question. If x is an integer such that x plus 1 by x equal to 17 by 4, then find the value of x minus 1 by x. So if you know the formulas of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square, from that formula we got that a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4. Let us substitute the values. X minus 1 by x whole square equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 4. So x minus 1 by x whole square equal to x plus 1 by x is 17 by 4. So 17 square is 289, 4 square is 16 minus 4. So if you take the LCM, it will be 289 minus 64 by 16, which will be 225 by 16. So if you take the square root of this one, 225 square root is 15 and 16 square root is 4. Answer will be 15 by 4. Option A is the right answer. So to simplify faster, you have to remember the all the formulas. See the ninth question. If A equal to BC and C equal to A minus B, then the value of A is. See, they have given A equal to BC and they have given C equal to A minus B. So we can substitute here. A equal to B into A minus B. It will be A equal to AB minus B square. If I take all one side, A minus AB plus B square equal to 0. So if I take A comma 1 minus B plus B square equal to 0, take B square that side, it will be 1 minus B minus B square, and finally A will be minus B square by 1 minus B. So it is negative. To make it positive, I will write like this: B square by B minus 1. So here option B is the right answer. See the last question. When simplified, the sum 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 so on till 1 by n into n plus 1 is equal to. See here this final term 1 by n into n plus 1. So like this only we can write these all terms. Means see 1 by 2 we can write it as 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by this 6 we can write it as 2 into 3 plus 1 by 12 we can write it as 3 into 4 plus 1 by 20 we can write it as 1 by 4 into 5. Like that only till 1 by n into n plus 1. Now see this one we can write it as 1 minus 1 by 2 because see 2 ones are 2, 2 minus 1 will be 1 only, and finally we'll get it as 1 by 2 only. So this one also we can write it as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus this one we can write it as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, like that only 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 so on till 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Now see here, you can cancel this positive and negative terms. You will be left with 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So take the LCM, n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, n by n plus 1. So option C is the right answer. Finally we have solved all the 10 questions. See, if you practice this carefully, then you can also get ideas to solve still simpler way. So these are the intermediate questions. In the part 3, we will solve advanced questions on simplification. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the simplification part 3, that is advanced questions. And still who have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to learn more unique tricks from Math Thinker. Thank you.